Ka-chow!
These newer Jeeps come with a toolkit that includes a 15mm socket for the windshield wipers as well as a 40mm Torx for the bolts for the windshield. So we're going to remove these guys, and then this is a 15mm hex bolt. So just a socket, get that guy going. We're going to do this on both sides. Now here comes the fun part. Okay. So I like to do a combination of pushing and pulling because this is basically splined in here and they suck to get off. Good. See the splines? Mm-hmm. That's what's splined in here and why it's so You're going to be removing 4 bolts total. These are all size 40 Torx bolts. They're underneath both sides of both sun visors. Now it's time to fold down the windshield. Last little tip is when you put these back on, they can go at different levels, so you want to make sure you have the angle right when you're installing them. Nothing quite like the wind in your hair.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.